my other parents that made this happen. Dream come true for me. And I'm really, really excited. Maraming salamat.
Alright, tulungan naman po natin si Mr. Inigo right here. And we're very happy and thrilled to know that you have just launched your very own brand. Now, Mr. Inigo, if it's okay, I just have a question for you with regards to your brand because earlier on I was seeing these little handsome boys modeling for Hersey. That's amazing. Can you tell us a little bit more about Hersey and what made you decide on venturing out in this line of work?
Okay. I've actually wanted to start a brand. It's been a while. It's a dream that I've been wanting to pursue for a couple of years now. I actually took business and science of entrepreneurship in the a couple of years back. I didn't get to finish it, but I kind of wanted to make use of it. I wanted to apply it into something that I believe in. And I feel like nowadays, parang wala masyadong products for men. Pwede gamitin pa rin ng lahat. So I wanted to really focus on that. And I feel like, I think a lot of people can agree din sa mas maasapang lalaki kasi sa babae when it comes to their hair, when it comes to hygiene. So I wanted to come up with a product that, or products that specializes on that. Something more gender neutral than, females can also use it. And each product that we actually have, I took the time to really test it. I took the time to make sure that it is this specific scent, the specific hold with the hairspray, or even the putty that we're putting out. So yeah, I mean it's all something that I truly believe in.
Alright, thank you so much, rather, Mr. Inigo. I really know that your goal is to actually create products for men because I definitely agree with you. We have a ton of brands here, merely focuses on women. And I really love the fact that your brand is gender neutral and also dedicated for men, especially I know that men here would appreciate having products for their hygiene, so on and so forth.
I feel like maraming mga boyfriend dito na nangyayari ng products sa girlfriends nila or sa mga kapatid nila. So I feel like now we can have our own products for hygiene and hair products as well.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Inigo. So right now,
putting up a business. I actually took entrepreneurship for college. I didn't get to finish it, but it was something that I've always done. I've always wanted to do something apart from what I already do, which is the music world, the acting world. So I really wanted to do something for myself apart from that. Not necessarily a fallback, but something that just has more stability. Siguro, I mean, for me, I feel like I want to put out products that I truly believe in. And I think my dad also kind of guided me towards that direction.
Alright, that's so great to know, Sir Inigo. So now that we have witnessed you successfully launching your product, is it okay to ask, were there any challenges that you experienced while making this product?
I mean, not product, but for me, starting a business in general, until I got to know Sir Dennis and Ms. Lanny, my very young parents, they made my dreams come true. Before I met them, I really have been wanting to start something, but I just didn't know where, I didn't know how to do it. And it really guided me to, learn about how to start a business, and especially now with new technologies, there's so much things evolving. TikTok shop, all the online shopping nowadays. Even talaga ngayon, I mean, it's always evolving, and you always have to be updated with what's the new trend and the new way to sell things, the new way to start a business. And for me, sila talaga yung nag-guide sa akin.
Alright. Ako, Sir Dennis, ano masasabi mo doon?
We appreciate that, but seriously, ikaw ang mag-guide ngayon ng company to bigger than your
Thank you.
He was very, very hands-on, guys, sa papilit. Super trained sa book. So, different things, several of them that we are very excited for you guys to try. Ako, lalaki. Kung magkasinalitis ang coaching, ayaw nito ako. But of course, he was saying that we got his first to write a future of clothing, meaning community.
Ayun.
So we have is mentally semi-mentally, and para sa akin sa Pilipinas kasi naligo na after a couple of minutes, always ka na agad, diba? So I wanted something na fresh ka pa rin kahit na lumabas ka ng bahay pagkatapos maligo, and lamig pa rin sa pakiramdam. So the shampoo, it also serves as a conditioner as well. So I mean, pag lalaki, if you think about it, you know, we want it the simplest possible. So it serves as both shampoo and conditioner. And trust me when I tell you, if you guys get to try it, it's really good. Sobrang bango sa buhok, sobrang soft yung buhok na pagkatapos. It leaves the scalp feeling really cool. And pati yung body wash namin, sobrang lamig din siya sa katawan. And even the deodorant actually, the deo that we have. So it's in spray form, it's not the usual stick form that we are used to. Para sa mas madali siyang gamitin, mas madali siyang galihin. And you don't have to feel worried or embarrassed to, you know, kailangan mag-i-apply, kanya sabi mo lang, kulog o bakit ba? And a lot of the products are also, actually the deodorant is anti-perspirant. And all of the products that we created are also hyperallergenic. A lot of it's all natural. We, even the shampoo, I made sure to ask it, hindi siya, there's a certain ingredient that I don't like which shampoos dries out in here. Because I have really, yung buhok ko sobrang mabilis na mag-dry. So a lot of the ingredients that we use, a lot of the stuff that we use, both products are natural, and paraben free, and sobrang ginagawa ko talaga sa products. Actually, the last, this shoot, nag-extend yung buhok ko sa shoot na yan. That was me. Recently, actually, it's been a while, every time I get something that I use ako, lagi ko siya, I want to gumagayos ng buhok ko. And it's true, I mean, I feel like a lot of men can relate. Mas maarte tayo sa babae when it comes to fixing our hair. You know, I don't like it when someone touches my hair. I feel like for me, mas gusto ko, ako mag-ayos ng buhok ko. I don't want anyone to touch my hair but me. And these products I tested each product out. And I can say na, you know, talagang magugusto namin siya.
Alright!
So, support him with that. Mas nakikita naman ako, di ba? Yes.
Totoo po yung really good. It's not building. It's not real eyebrows. It's lang makapal yung talagang ginito. So I wanted to create a product that will help, you know, other people that have cousins and have friends that always ask me, ano mo ba yung feeling mo na ganyan? So I wanted to have a product that you know, that does that purpose. And again, these are all natural ingredients. We have no chemicals, harsh chemicals. So pwede mo siyang gamitin sa islands din, sa so if there's anyone may not pick, I won't use it as well.
Because we know that Kilay is alive.
Yes, sir!
I was busy with my career, focus, and finally, you know, with the help of management and Dennis, I was able to finally pursue a dream that I wanted to do. And so now this is the start of more and more business ventures. Natapos mo na ba yung school? No, I didn't get to finish it actually. I was too busy. It was too hard to juggle it at the same time. That was a time when Venezuela came out and I had to be out of the country a lot. Pero ang galing kasi yung passion mo na
Pero Inigo, do you still plan to finish?
I mean, eventually, if I was able to do 3 years of it, if given the time, you know, I want to be able to finish my course. Yeah, I mean, if I have the time for it, I really want to finish it. Because part of the thesis that I have to actually do is to come up with an actual business. So now I can do it.
Why Hersey?
So the inspiration behind Hersey, actually, it's my grandfather's real last name. So it's not exactly Hersey. My grandfather was German. Herzig talaga yung last name namin. So I kind of wanted to make something that was very personal, but playing with it, making it more easier to say. Hersey. And the period is just kind of aesthetic. 6 months ago.
For the first tennis.
Yeah. Saan na yun? Sa mother's side? My dad's side.
Inigo, how's the Hollywood projects going?
Good. I'm going back. Actually going back to the States next month. Early next month, I'm doing another film in the States, and I'll be doing a movie out there, and I'm excited for it. It's something very different from what I've done before. I'm going to be in the Navy. So once I get back, I'll be doing the look test for it, and we'll be filming it actually in a real Navy ship. So, think. I have my business partners, Miss Lani and Dennis, of course. I'm very, very hands-on with it. About the products. Right now, we're focusing on what we currently have. But in the future, I mean, my hair changes so much. I want to be able to cater to other hair textures and other hair conditions. We're not staying with just what we have. We want to expand. US one. It's a US movie.
Hollywood. So how did you get that part?
Audition, but non-stop. I'm still auditioning even while I'm here in the Philippines. I do my self-tapes. It's still ongoing, and I love the process of it. 9 out of 10. You don't get it, but it's really the process of auditioning that I find very fun and very enjoyable.
Would you say na adjustment sa voice acting?
I mean, I spent my young years in the States before I joined the industry. So it wasn't much of an adjustment. I feel like for me, it was just going back to another place that I called home.
Sa music, ano update sa'yo sa music?
Music, I'm excited for it. Actually, I just had a meeting 2 days ago. We'll be making more music soon. Really exciting.
Under Star Music. Or
No, this is all me. My dad's very supportive of it. And of course my business partners. My dad supports me in all of it. He actually was praying for me before I got here today. And he's in Batangas and driving. He wishes that he could be here. And his first partner said he's asking me like, give me some photos that I can post to promote it. He's been trying some of my products. We've gone through many different versions of it, especially the hair pudding, the hairspray. We've been trying it. We wanted to really make sure that it's the right formula that works for men's hair. And actually, even the hair stick that we have, it's really important for on-the-go situations. Women can also use it. It looks like a deodorant, and para lang siyang kumitutsang o merong mga tumitikos sa buhok. It's easy to just have it go down right away. And with these products, we want to make it available to everyone. We want to make it some accessible to everyone. So we want to keep it at that. And I'm really excited to what more we can do with this product and this. I mean, super. I actually think a lot of dudes are more OC than women are. I feel like pag inaayos na ako kunyari sa asap or sa last ones, ako yung talaga nag-aayos yung person. So, being able to start a business like this, it really means a lot to me. It's something that I actually have a lot of focus on whenever I get there.
Ginagamit na ni Paco.
Yes, he's been using it. He has some of the sample products. He doesn't have the impact that we have right now, but he was one of the people that actually helped me test out the product. Yeah.
Honestly, talaga, dahil sa'yo sobrang sikat before. How was it watching a younger boy?
It's so sweet, seeing how he probably was too young to even know that song when that song came out. But you see that, kids nowadays still know the song. Really, it's really sweet. It makes me really happy that it's still around, and I'm excited to hopefully this next chapter in my music I'll be able to create a new title sale. Exciting times, and nakakataba ng puso to see little kids performing my song, especially at the launch of my brand.
What's your advice to young people like self-care and cleaning?
Well, of course, it's very important. Filipinos in general are very hectic, and we take really good care of ourselves. And I really wanted to create a brand that caters to everyone, but targeting really the men market. Kasi sometimes sumuhiram tayo sa girlfriend natin sa mga products or like your kapatid nilang babae. So now we have our own set of products that we can use for pang-kilig and actually that was one of the last minute requests that I had. I wanted to create a product that not just styles the eyebrows but also helps grow it. So our serum is actually all natural, so there's no harmful chemicals in it. We made sure of that, and it's a natural hair growth serum. At the same time, it helps style the eyebrows. So you have eyebrows style gel. You can can see that it's sobrang fixed na fixed. This one, it's more of a natural look. Like holding the shape at the same time. Look at my eyebrows, it's going.
Hindi ko pang question, nagkaroon ka naman ng moment na nagupitan ka pero hindi.
Yes.
Ano ginawa mo?
Gusto ko maiyak. I feel like a lot of people have gone through that. You know, yung tinatanong ko, kumusta sir, okay ba? And actually, the original plan for the eyebrow growth serum was it was supposed to be just a hair growth serum. So it was, di ba minsan we lose our hair dito. Especially for me, that's one of the areas that actually I started to lose hair. I think it's with hair hats or something. It's actually also easy for that. And you just get like a little bit of light. And what I like to do is I rub it sa mismo hair, sa mismo eyebrows. You can also use it which I've been doing because I haven't been exposed to some part of the yeah, what was the question? Yung haircut. Yeah, it's happened to me a lot of times. And I choose my haircut first. So now I only go to one haircut guy, Sir D, from 01 Stanley. And I've been with him for a couple of years now. I think since during the pandemic, that's when I've been only trusting him with my haircut.
Thank you, Nico.